In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to validate response status code in Postman. Validating status codes is a simple but powerful way to confirm your API is behaving as expected. Whether you're checking for a successful 200 OK, a 201 created, or confirming an error like 400 or 404, setting up a quick test in Postman helps you catch issues early and automate your checks. Start by opening the request you want to test in Postman. Just below the request URL bar, you'll see several tabs like params, authorization, headers, body, and tests. Click the tab labeled Tests. In some versions it may be called Post Response, but it's the same place where you write assertions that run after the response comes back. Now add a status code test. In the editor on the Tests tab, enter a small script to assert the expected status. For example, you can type PM test status code is 200 function PM response 2.have status.200. This tells Postman to check that the response status equals 200 and label the result status code is 200. If your endpoint should return something else, like 201 or 204, simply change the number. Keep your test name descriptive so it's easy to scan later, especially if you add more tests over time. Once your test code is in place, run the request by clicking Send. The Send button sits to the right of the URL field. When you click it, Postman will fire off the request and automatically execute the tests you wrote as soon as the response is received. After the response comes back, look in the response pane below. There's a tab called Test Results next to Body, Cookies, and Headers. Click Test Results to see how your test performed. You'll find a summary showing how many tests passed or failed, followed by a list with each test's name and status. A green check means the expected status code matched. A red indicator means it didn't. If you see a failure, switch to the Body or Headers tabs to inspect what was returned and confirm you're expecting the correct status for that endpoint according to your API documentation. That's it. You opened your request, added a simple status code assertion, sent the request, and reviewed the results in the Test Results tab. With this workflow in place, you can quickly verify behavior across endpoints and avoid manual checking. Feel free to adjust the expected status code to match different scenarios and keep your test names clear so results are easy to understand at a glance.